Hello students, welcome to today's new class. Hope you are doing well, you are studying better. One thing I want to say that make books your friends. Don't move here and there, don't watch too much TV, don't spend time with mobile. Instead of that, try to spend time your school books so that your study doesn't suffer, especially ninth and 10th class syllabi are too large for mathematics. If you don't spend time with that, you will lag behind others. Kindly spend at least 2 or 3 hours of study for mathematics only. Then you will be able to make up for the lost time. And also keep praying to God that as soon as possible we should come over this pandemic that is gripping whole of the world, whole of the humanity. Keep praying for humanity. Thank you very much. So let us start with today's class. 10th class students, exercise 9C. We continue with question number 10, part 3. -2, 0, 3, 1, -1, 2x plus 3 -2, 1 is equal to 2y and 3. So we have to find the value of x and y. First I multiply first row with first column, -2 into -1, 2, 0 into 2x, 0. Now there is no second column, so second row first column, 3 into -1, -3, 1 into 2x, 2x, plus 3 I take inside, -6, 3 into 1, 3, equal to 2 I take inside, 2y and 6. So add them, 2 plus 0 plus -6, 2 minus 6, -3 plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 2y, 6, -4, this -3 plus 3 cancel, 2x is equal to 2y, 6. So 2y is equal to -4, y is equal to -4 upon 2, -2. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 upon 2, 3. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to -2. Answer. Now I come to question number, it was question number 16, not 10, question number 16, part 3. Now I come to question number 17. 17 I do here. It is very, very important, right? Very, very important on question number 17. Most important you can write. Very, very important or most important. In each case given below, find the order of matrix M, the matrix M. So part 1, M into 1, 1, 0, 2 is equal to 1, 2. So as we know, that when I multiply two matrices, let A matrix be m into n, B matrix be n into P. The order of C matrix will be m into P. This n number of columns of the first should be equal to number of rows of the second. In the answer, I take m from here, P from here. So let order of m be m into n. Order of this matrix is, let order of B, I take it B matrix be 2:2. Order of this matrix is 2:2. Order of answer matrix is 1 row 2 column, 1:2. So number of columns is equal to number of rows of the second. Here number of rows from first matrix, number of columns from the second matrix. So what will be value of m? M is 1. What is the value of n? N is 2. So matrix, order of matrix M is m into n. Value of m is 1. Value of n is 2. So m will have one column, one row and two columns. So let m be x and y into 1, 1, 0, 2 is equal to 1, 2. So matrix M will be 1:2, 1 row, 2 column. Now I have to find the value of x and y. Again I repeat, if order of matrix first is m into n, order of second matrix is n into p, then answer matrix will have m from here, from first matrix, p from second matrix. So let order of m into n, order of B matrix I am given 2:2. Then C matrix has 1 row 2 column. So n is equal to 2, m is equal to 1. So m will have 1 row 2 columns. So 1 row 2 columns. So I take x and y as they show the 1 row and 2 columns. Then I multiply x into 1 x, y into 0, 0. Then first row second column, x into 1 x, y into 2, 2y is equal to 1 and 2. So x plus 2y 1, 2. So x is 1, x plus 2y is 2. Value of x is 1, 1 plus 2y is 2, 2y is 1, y is 1/2. So m is xy, x is 1, y is 1/2. That is answer. So find the value of x and y. Put here x is 1, y is 1/2. Then question number 17, part 2. It is 1, 4, 2, 1, into m is equal to 13 and 5. So matrix A is m into n, matrix B n into p, C will have rows from the first column m and columns from the second matrix P. So now first matrix A is having order 2:2, 2 rows, 2 columns. Second matrix M, let it be n into P. Answer matrix has 2 rows, 1 column. Now number of columns of the first is equal to number of rows of the second. Answer matrix takes rows from the first and columns from the second. So it means n is equal to 2 and p is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. N combines with 2. P combines with 1. So p is equal to 1. Then m has order 2:1. 2 rows, 1 column. So let m x and y, let m is equal to x, y, 2 rows, 1 column. 2 rows, 1 column. Now I take x, y as it makes 2 rows and 1 column. Here it was m 1 into 2, so 1 row, 2 column. Here it was 1 row, 2 columns because it was 1:2. Here it is 2:1, so I take 2 rows, 1 column. Now I put value of m here, 1, 4, 2, 1, x, y is equal to 13, 5. Multiply 1 into x, x, 4 into y, 4y. So second row first column, 2 into x, 2x, 1 into y, y, 13, 5. So x plus 4y is equal to 13. 2x plus y is equal to 5. I solve them simultaneously, multiply it with 2. So it is 2x plus 8y, 26. 2x plus y, 5. To make coefficients of x equal, I have to multiply first equation with 2. Eight y minus y, 7y, 21. Y is 21 upon 7, 3. Now put value of y equal to 3 in this equation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 2x is 2. X is 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. That is my answer. Other questions are nearly same. I do question number 25. for you. Question number 25. A is 2, 1. One, 3. B is 3 minus 11. I have to find matrix X so such that AX is equal to B. Value of A is 2, 1, 1, 3. Into matrix X is equal to B. B is 3 minus 11. So first I have to find the order of X as I done in the previous question. So this is 2 is to 2. That order of matrix X is M into N. C matrix is 2 rows, 1 column. So number of columns in the first is number of rows in the second. Answer takes rows from the first and columns from the second. So M is 2. M is 2. 2 combines with M. N combines with 1. N is 1. So order of X is 2 is to 1. 2 rows, 1 column. Let X be equal to 2 rows, 1 column, A, B. So now I put value of X here and find the value of A, B. 2, 1, 1, 3 into A, B is equal to 3 minus 11. So 2 into A, 2A, first row with first column, 2 into A, 2A, 1 into B, B, then second row with first column, 1 into A, 3 into B, 3B. No, sorry, it is second row, A plus 3B equal to 3 minus 11. So 2A plus B is 3. A plus 3B is equal to minus 11. So I multiply it with 2 to make coefficients of A equal. 2A plus B is 3. 2A plus 2, 3 is 6B. 2 into minus 11 minus 22. I change signs. B minus 6B minus 5B. 3 plus, now this minus has become plus. 3 plus 22 is 25. B is 25 upon minus 5 equal to minus 5. Then I put value of B here. 2A plus B is equal to 3. B is minus 5. 2A minus 5 is 3. 2A is 3 plus 5, 8. A is 8 upon 2, 4. So A is 4. B is minus 5. That is the answer. So with this, I come to end of today's class. 3 or 4 or next class we will complete this matrices. Only this type of questions will be there that we have done. So a few questions more, then we will come to end. Then we will start with new chapter. Until then, goodbye. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay inside, stay healthy.